This is Safraz Khan, and today I'm going to talk about the compensation plan of NHT Global. And the basics of the compensation plan of NHT Global is that we are the highly rewarding system, and we really take care of our distributors, because one thing with NHT Global in the past 20 years, we are operating in 48 countries in the world, have understood that none of our distributors have left NHT Global. So the simple reason is we reward, we recognize, and we incentivize our distributor. So if you can really give these three things to your distributors, you can really get them to the next level, and that's what NHT Global does. NHT Global also offers the highest documented payout from the day one. So we really reward and we really incentivize our distributors at 45 to 49%, which is highly documented payout and which is documented. Yeah. So we are a company which has been 20 years. We are NASDAQ listed, so everything is very clean, declared, where the payment structure is being distributed to the distributors. So no expiry of your bonus volume. So whatever business you bring into NHT Global, you never get them zero flushed out. Okay, so that's good thing. So whatever comes in has to be paid to you, no matter you take in time, you take in more and more years to get that thing to be matched up, but you will never get it to zero till you don't make the money out of it. Cycle bonuses weekly go up to 50,000 USD, which is superb, where you can really be highly rewarded. If you go into Indian count, it goes to 35 lakh rupees weekly, so we have 1 crore 40 lakh a month. That's good amount of money. Unlimited depth of income. So when you're working on a generation plan, it goes wide, and you can keep recruiting people wider and wider. You can keep doing that, right? But in our business, in a generation plan, you can get to 1 to 7 levels, right? Then after that it goes to royalty. Whereas in a binary plan, it goes deep, it goes wide, right? It goes unlimited depth. So NHT Global pays you unlimited depth, income, infinite deep, right down to 1,000 or 100 lakh, wherever it is, staying with them. There is no repurchase. That means there is no monthly repurchase criteria. So your points will never get zero, no matter if you are not. You come into the business, you generate one left, one right, you're fully qualified. After that, even if you don't maintain your monthly repurchases, which is not required with NHT Global compensation plan, you still get those volume accumulating into your account. So there is no reasons to keep buying something which is not required. So at NHT Global, we keep you at ease. Preferred customer program is an online system. I just want to give you basic information. If you're a new person on a starter, that when you become or you introduce anybody to preferred customer program, you get the product at the price of Ruby. So the base price of that product goes to 5,284. As a preferred customer, they see the price at 4,755 without taxes, and your price is 3,698 without GST. So officially, you pay 1,057 onto the difference amount to your account when people buy online, when you introduce them as preferred customer. So that's one area of business where NHT Global offers you. Now, when you're starting the business with NHT Global, you have Platinum, you have Gold, you have Emerald, you have Ruby. Now you have these 4 areas where you can start the business with. Now, officially, you can definitely decide where you want to start your business. There's totally your choice, yeah. But if you have taken and selected to be a Ruby, okay, you have an option to start the business with 25 BB, okay, right up till 125 BB. So this is your choice, where you can select the packages which are there with that you're applying, and the person who's introduced you to the business will explain you exactly what are the kind of sign-up packages with that. Then you have the Emerald. The Emerald is 250 BB. So that's the package for the Emerald signups. Then you have the Gold, which is 500 BB. So this is one area where you should be working on, and then highly recommended the Platinum, which is the 1000 BB pack. So you can start the business right from Ruby, Emerald, Gold, and Platinum. Now you know exactly what the company is giving you on reward systems, right? Now it totally depends where you pick your business. You pick your business from a Ruby distributor, you pick your business from Emerald distributor, you pick your business from Gold or Platinum. Now why are these 4 differentiation? Now because in NHT Global, you're given a clarity on where do you want to pick yourself as a distributor. If you're a serious distribution person and really wants to take the business to the next level, and you want to commit yourself to the business for the coming years, then Platinum is the ideal position for you to get started. As a Gold distributor, you want to try the products, you want to put it to people. If you have a spa, a salon, you can definitely take this distribution because you have great benefits from the Gold system. And if you want to see an Emerald position, it is to test the product. Yes, can definitely go for an emerald position. And if you're just trying to get one product and gift it to somebody, use it, just try on subject kind of a thing, then ruby is the right position for you to get started. Now, when you become a platinum distributor with NHT Global, it is highly rewarding because whenever you do a retail purchase, you have 30% of a distribution margin on the retail and your distributor price. So you can have this benefit of 30% here. For a gold, you get a 30%. For an emerald, you get a 30%. Whereas for a ruby, you make only 10%. So these are three major differences. So for a platinum, gold, and emerald, it's 30%, which you get on retail margins. Whereas for a ruby, it is 10%. So that's the first difference what you need to understand. The second difference is, okay, when you're picking up the plan for platinum. Now, with platinum, you basically sign up, okay, you pick up the products at high discount as well as you make generation income. Now, when you're making one income that is generation, okay, with NHT Global, now in the generation we have for a platinum level 1, level 2 and level 3, right? So, for instance, when you're doing a generation plan, the first thing what you need to do is, the first criteria for NHT Global is, you need to make two teams, one on the left, one on the right, okay? No matter whichever position you start with, when you do your first direct left, then your next direct on the right, you are fully qualified, okay? But if you don't meet this criteria, you cannot start earning your commissions, right? Now, for instance, you can start activating your commission by just introducing this first pattern of qualification. That is the only structure with NHT Global. Now, when you're on the level 1, okay, and if you introduce this gentleman with 1000 BV, okay, and this gentleman with 1000 BV to the business, okay, so you have created one left team, one right team, okay, and if you're a platinum distributor, you will make from your level 1 is 10%. So you have made two people on your level 1, okay, so you will make 10%, 10%, so you will make $100 and $100. So you have made $200 if you are a platinum distributor on your level 1. Now if you look at level 2, it will be same, it will be 10%. So even if you have introduced the left and your right, so you make $100, $100. So you again make $200 for your gold rank as a level 1 position for generation. But when it comes to emerald on your level 1, you are making 5%. Okay, so if you are over here as an emerald distributor, you have introduced 1000 BV, 1000 BV. So when two people will make $50 and $50. So the same business of $2000 only paid you $100 because you selected to take the emerald position. Whereas if you go to the ruby, your level 1 income, what you're going to make over here as a generation, it's going to be of the same 1000 BV what you brought in, it is only going to be your percentage, okay, which is 3%. So you're going to make $30 and $30. So that is going to be $60, okay, in that same business of 2000 BV, what you brought in. So either you decide you want to make $60, you want to make $100 with the same 2000 BV, you want to make $200 with the same 2000 BV with the gold, and you want to make as a platinum $200. So that's the basic difference, right, from your level 1 income of generation. Whereas your level 2 income will become 5%, okay. So for instance, this person who you brought in the business, okay, he brings a level 2 person over here and he takes 1000 BV, okay. And if you're a platinum distributor, okay, and this person is qualified, he has one criteria. If you want to make income on the level 2, the person has to be gold rank and above, okay. If he is not a gold rank on level 2, you cannot reach to his 5%. So the criteria for this rank to make commission is you have to have this person as gold. But as this person from the rank 2 has taken 1000 BV, okay, so he's already a platinum distributor, so you can make commission on him. So when you make 5% on his $1000, so it will pay you is $50, right? So $50 you'll be making on the level 2 if you're a platinum. Whereas if you're a gold distributor, on the level 2, you'll make the same $50 because here also it pays you 5%. Right? Whereas the level 2 here will pay you 3%. For the same 1000 BV, if you have selected the emerald position and you are going to go at 3%. So what will be the 3% of $1,000 for you is $30. Right? So you will be taking $30. Whereas if you have made $50, but you selected the position of emerald, so you are making $30. Whereas for a ruby, the level 2 will be 0. So no matter whatever is the situation, your income is 0 over here. So for the level 2, you do not make any income as a ruby distributor. So that's the reason you need to position yourself in the right place, because that's the maximum benefit you can take. Now the level 3 is if this person who's level 2 has got level 3, he's got 1000 BV business. Okay. So again here the level 3, same criteria is he has to be a gold distributor. Okay. So when he is a gold distributor, you are qualified to earn his income also. So even here the criteria is to be gold. So here you will make 3% as a platinum. So you will make $30. Okay. As a gold distributor on your level 3, you will make $30. Right? That's 3%. Whereas an emerald will make 0. So there is no money for an emerald. And ruby level 3 is also 0. So this is the end of your generation over here. So what we saw in the generation is pretty simple is this needs to be gold, this needs to be gold qualification, then only you reach to the income. And with the same volume what you bring 1000, 1000, 1000, it goes to 3 level with your platinum, it goes to 3 level with your gold, it goes to 2 level with your emerald, and it only goes to 1 level with the ruby, the generation. It's pretty simple. Now let's go to the other set of income. Now what is the next set of income? What we have is your binary. Now the binary is pretty simple with NST Global, right? Now the binary, what we call the cycle bonus, it says is this is you, okay, and when you bring your two people, as we said, the qualification left and right, okay, one left team, one right team. Whenever we see 1000 BV and 500 BV, so on your strong side 1000, on your weak side 500. So if you have like one platinum and one gold, so you have one platinum and one gold, your one cycle is completed. So you will be paid if you are sitting on this cycle income. Okay, what is the cycle bonus you're going to be earning as a platinum? Completed the 1000 BV and the 500 BV, right? So when you're sitting on this, you will be making $100. How it is calculated? This is the 20% of the weaker side. So 20% of the weaker side of 500 is 100. So $100 is your incentive, which is given to a platinum distributor. Same way for a gold, you're paid the same 20% binary. So you also will make $100. Whereas when you come in as an emerald distributor, your 500 PV, what you have generated, you will make 10% of that. So what is the 10% of the 500 PV? It's going to be 50. So $50 is what is distributed with one completion of 1,500. Whereas when we go to Ruby, the same 500 BV, what you accumulate on the weak side will be paid as 5% binary. So what is the 5% binary is $25. Pretty simple. So to complete one cycle 1,500, you're paid 20% for gold and platinum. So you're making $100. You're making $100 as gold and platinum, and you're paid as emerald $50, and you're paid $25 as a ruby. Simple. So that's another stream of income. Now we have the true matching. This is the icing to the cake. Now true matching is something which is really rewarding. For the same business what you're bringing in, like for instance, and draw a diagram. You made two people. Okay, you made your left, you made your right. You brought the same 1000 BV here, same 1000 BV here, right? So this same 1000 BV matched your binary as level 2. The same 1000 BV. If you keep recruiting, okay, suddenly your client recruits one person. okay, and he drops 1% over here, it will come to the last sponsor ID. Now why does this happen is because you need to understand when you're working with a 2-leg plan, you cannot open your third leg, not possible. You can only work on your left and right knee. Okay, so anybody on your left outer, your left or the right outer, whoever sponsor will go and sit on the last sponsor ID. So if this person comes to your 100th leg, okay, now your upline has sponsored over here, so this will be his level 1, so he will earn 10%, right? Now for instance, this person who he brought on the left, he goes and sponsors somebody over here, he takes 1000 BB, he becomes your direct, right? So you will earn 10% generation on it, right? So 10% you earn, right? Plus all the people over here will get the benefit of the 1000 BB from the all the line in that structure on the outer line will get the benefit of the full 1000 BB. Now for instance, if this person sitting over here, he is your direct, you have sponsored this person directly, and this 1000 BB, okay, of this person, okay, is a check match of 7,000 rupees, right? That is $100, okay, and he's matched a check of $100, okay. So that $100 on the weaker side as he closed over here, and he is your direct, okay, you will make 10% of this check match. So that $100 10% is $10. So that $10 is your income. Now this income is going to multiply whenever you keep recruiting people. Whenever you recruit the people, here he comes, okay. The person over here brings volume of 10,000 BV, okay, 10k BV. Now this all BV he is matched, okay, and this person is your direct, okay. Okay, now this person, he matched his weaker side, okay, and he made 10 cycles. 10 cycles, and he's a gold and platinum distributor. So this person made around we can say $1,000 on the 10 cycles, right? So $1,000, and he's the direct of yours. So this person is sitting on their 100th leg also, okay? You will make, as is your direct, you make 10% of his check. So what is the check is $1,000. So the 10% of $1,000 is how much? $100. So this $100 will be pushed into your account, right? So no matter who makes the money, when you sponsor the person, the entire structure is getting the benefit of the business on you, on your left, on your right, right? And all the team will be getting the benefit, right team, right? So this is really an icing to the cake, where you can make multiple benefits with a true matching bonds. So these are the 3 basic fundamentals of NHT Global Business Plan, which will efficiently make you grow in the business. And over here, the level 1 for you, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5, level 6, and level 7. So for India, they have made us 10% here, 5% is here, for you 3% is here, but after rank 6 and 7, you get another 1%. For a platinum and gold remains same, whereas as an emerald you get level 1 and level 2 for the true matching, as we said is 5 and 3, whereas level 1 ruby will also be for true matching is 3%. So this is why it is very important where you position yourself, because it is important to make the maximum out from the same volume which is generated. So if you are a ruby and emerald, you're not going to max out your earning. So if you want to max out your earning, gold and platinum is the ideal position. So this was the basic information for you to get started, to know the basic fundamentals of the plan. So if you have anything you would like to know more in detail, you can definitely refer to my YouTube channel, and we have all the presentations, and you can subscribe to my channel and understand it more deeply. So guys, thanks a lot for hearing me out. I try to make it as simple as possible, but still if you don't understand, we can always have a call together. Keep it podcast.